Morning everyone. We are live finally. The market is about to open just 30 minutes from now. We're looking for Nvidia. There is a potential huge pump for Nvidia for today after the good earnings. Oh man, we pumping almost 12% before the market open. We have to watch out. We got other stock that we are watching. VLBT doing all right. VLBT, most gainer for today, 84%. We got LLAP 71% yesterday, still holding, and CVRX. Okay, I think I fixed kind of the issue. Let's get right to it. VLBT. Okay, around the 1% still. We got alert for WINT. Nvidia is still doing all right. Nvidia still have a potential to squeeze for today. VLBT is still holding. We have a breaking for this triangle, but now we kind of gave up again. We got a bit of rejection for VLBT around the 25. Already put alert just in case. LLAB. Interesting play, this one. Interesting. Yeah, WINT got shorted. WINT got shorted right now. Why we speak, we got shorted. Yeah, we were gapping up before the market opened. You see this gap? Price went until the 27 and went down. We see a bit of weakness here. You see what's happened? We see a bit of weakness around this level. We might have a power hour for this one, but now is kind of weak. Now we kind of weak. We have many tests and rejection around this area. WINT, we watch this stock later on, not now. At the time being, we have to watch LLAP. Yeah, yesterday 71% and today 4%. You have to watch for LLAB, still looking good. VBLT still looking good as well. VBLT still looking interesting play, still holding, so we don't have a sell-off right now. So there's a potential 80% at the moment. There's a potential squeeze for this one. I'm looking at it closely. Yesterday we had just 800k worth of volume, but today different story. Let's check what's going on in the pre-market scanner. The pre-market scanner, VBLT is not there because it's really pretty cheap. That's why we jump in 80%. Pre-market volume. So from the top four, we got just GNCE with volume almost 6 million. The other one is pretty light on volume. So let me just check this one as well. GNCE. Going back. We have we got rejected around the $1.30 in the pre-market. Let me just check the pre-market high. Pre-market high was around the $1.40. $1.40. So the price was over this level, around this area. We have a breakout, but in the pre-market, not now. Nvidia doing all right. Nvidia doing a new high. Yeah, Nvidia doing all right, guys. Nvidia doing all right. We got great earnings. We got great earnings for Nvidia. Chip makers see ChatGPT strong demand for advanced processors. So we see that AMD and Nvidia have potential gain in the future. That's why investors looking for loading up on semiconductors like Nvidia and AMD. So if we go for AMD, we see that AMD is pumping up as well, 5%. AMD pumping as well. So we have Nvidia and AMD looking really pretty nice in pre-market. Meta is still looking good. Tesla looking good. Tesla is up almost 2%. We just bounced from our level, looking good. For Apple, yeah, so Apple have a great support. Starbucks is still holding. Google not that good. So Google is the other side. Is the other side. I'm waiting for Google to go for another dip below the 83 for Google and Amazon as well. NEO is have just 6 days for the earnings. 6 days left. AMD, Angelo, we already did the pre-market growth stock watch list. We discussed AMD, Nvidia, and the other stock for the important levels. Hopefully you saw the video. Yeah, Metaswave, he's looking for the next ATM machine for today. ATM machine. LUNR. So yesterday for this one jumped almost 100%. LUNR, intuitive machines, 81%. This one is pretty expensive and volatile, but it looked really good because yesterday we jumped until the 113. Price went down, now bouncing back 14%. Look an interesting play. Let's see if we have it toward or over the 100, because now we are below the 100. Interesting play. So yeah, this one looking interesting as well. Support 72, we might see a breakout around the 113 next time to go to all-time high again and beyond. This one got some news. Space Services provider intuitive machine stock rockets as high as 260%. So we got the Space Services providers intuitive machines stock rocket as high as 200. This was yesterday. The new IPO was around the 14th of February. Interesting, 50% in just 2 days. This stock is literally going to the moon. Not joking. This one is going to the moon, literally, man. This is really funny. Okay. CVRX. Are we gonna have another pump for this one? Yesterday 33%. Now is just normal. We need the $10 once again. You see what's happened for this one? We have a huge pump. Now we are consolidating above the 9. There's another potential bump once we break the $10.37. Yeah, we have a really great pump from this flag. Now still holding this pump that we did for today. The $3 should be kind of the psychological level that we should hold. Let's see if we hold this. VLBT struggling. So this stock is either we're gonna have a pump if we held this, or a dump to go down around the 18. Huge selling pressure, and we might see this now, a selling pressure before the market open, because we're already 80% up. So we already tried to break this level around the 25, but we got rejected. That's why we see a bit of selling pressure. Oh boy, we have a bit of drawback now. Let's see if we hold here. %, and still scrolling back. We need to have a breakout from it. For Ape is still struggling near the bottom. AMC. We got many questions regarding AMC if we're gonna have a squeeze, because AMC and Ape got their earnings in just less than 1 week. For AMC, just 5 days. For Ape is 6 days, I think. Let's see. No, for Ape we don't have earnings. Anyway, for AMC, the earnings after just 5 days from now, and the pre-market is around the 1%. As we said before, the $6 should be the current support for today, at least, to continue toward the 7. The 7 is the first signal for squeeze. BBY, on the other hand, BBY down. BBY is still down, and gravitating down. We need to hold the $1.48. We got a really great bounce yesterday, a good reaction, at least small one, above the $1.48, but we're still getting rejected here. You see this area? Rejection. Huge wick, price getting down. A lot of people buy, more selling pressure from above. A lot of people buy, a lot institution selling, retail trader buying, and institution selling. So that's why the price is still continuing to go down. We need to break this pattern around the $1.80. Cash 247. I'm interested and curious why you picked this name, Cash 247. I think this is a code, man. I think this is not a random number. This is not a random number, if I guess right. We got 3 days or 3 days for open an hour. 3 minutes. We got 3 minutes, and Nvidia is still pumping. Almost 13%. Doing all right. Tesla doing all right, 2%. AMD 5%. Okay, semiconductors and electric cars doing all right and before the market open. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left to the opening bell for today, Thursday market. As usual, guys, we do each day live streaming before the market open to discuss the stock that have potential to squeeze, and of course drink our holy water before we trade. Always hydrate. Let's get right to it. 2 minutes left. We watching VBLT, the top gainer for today, 71% at the moment. We got support, we got breakout zone. LLAB doing all right. We have a breaking from this flag. There's a potential continuation if we hold the current support around the $3. Yeah, $3 at least in the beginning of the market open. But the bottom that will confirm a sell-off if we broke it is the $2.59. CVRX, I'm watching this one. There's a potential, but the volume I think is light. That's why we don't have a movement before the market open. Yesterday we did 33% up, and now resting around the 1% in pre-market. So yeah, yesterday 33%. So there's a potential. Here, the Russell 2000 future is up 50, Nasdaq is up 1.30, Dow future is up, and SP 500 is up almost 26 points. Looking good, the market looking good. The gold is down 5.90, and crude oil is doing good, so everything's good except gold. Gold is depreciating with time. This is kind of counterintuitive, you know, because before in 90s, a lot of people buying gold. Anyway, let's get right to it. The market is opened, and we watching which one will be the ATM machine for today. Which stock will be our ATM machine? VBLT maybe, if we held. Okay, this area should be hold and never break for VBLT. Let's see if we hold. Okay. We might see a test for this area. After all, LLAB. Okay, Lunar still testing. So we don't have to go between many stocks. We have to watch one and focus on one and just put alert on the other ones. So at the time being, let me just put alert on this if we got a breakout zone or if we got a sell-off. So we put two levels so we don't miss any trade, either short or buy long. So let us watch VBLT. There's a potential here. We have a bounce, great bounce from the support. This area is critical between the 25 and 27. Really critical for squeeze. For VBLT, let's see if we're gonna have a squeeze at the moment or a sell-off. Okay, we pumping, doing all right. VBLT testing our breakout zone 25. Okay, a huge rejection here. VBLT looking good. still holding. LLAB still holding. As we said, the $3.38 should be the breakout zone. That's why we have our alerts from above and from below. Let's go back for VBLT. There's a potential break at the moment. Huge pullback. VBLT, huge pullback. Oh man, look what's happened. As we said, here is a rejection. Here is a resistance. It's not a confirm yet. The good reaction that we bounce right around our support, the 20. So this is good. Now we need to have a retest. What's gonna be, people? What's gonna be? Still, we don't have a sell-off. Still 77%, 30 million worth of volume. Okay, let me just check. We have a bit of drawback now. Let me just check the other stock. We might see potential trade. DKNG looking good. DKNG looking interesting now. We bounced from the bottom and now is bouncing back. DKNG looking interesting play, but light volume. AMC light volume, guys. It's just 600k. That's why we not jumping big. SoFi, wow. We have light volume for all of them. Yeah, light volume, man. Let me see growth stocks. Nvidia going back down to test the support. We got Meta going down, Tesla going down. So we have a pullback. Be careful. We have a bit of selling pressure. We have a huge selling pressure for the market now. We have a huge selling pressure. We have a pullback. The market is pulling back. Watch out, the short is shorting. The shorts are shorting now. The whole market is a bit down. Still VBLT didn't have breaking for this box. There's a potential to squeeze. If we held this box, it means someone is buying, and there's potential huge pump at least toward the 31. What's gonna be? This is it. We need to hold. still shorting. VBLT is still shorting down. We have a triple top. The price got rejected. 25 went down. We might see filling for this box around the 18 cent. Still holding above the 20. So this the 20 should be a strong support to hold. It's better to bounce here, okay? Better to bounce above the 20. And we talk about the 18 is mean a sell-off if we broke here. If we broke below the 18 is the sell-off. If we held above the 20 is mean a sign of strength and a break in next time the 25. Everything is selling off at the moment. Even LLAP is sold off now. We might go toward the $2.59 for it. CVRX as well. LUNR or Lunar is going down. It's going down to test the support once again, 72. But VBLT is still holding above the 20. Let's see a retake for the 24. VBLT, there's a potential. VBLT, we're watching VBLT. We already held above the 20. There's a potential for a break toward the 25. %, now. Okay, 23.80. GNCE is pumping. 23.80. Let's see, 24, then 25 break. Where's the poles? Where's the balls, man? Where's the balls? This is it. Someone selling here is big time. Selling big time. We need to break the 25 for squeeze. We just got one stock is squeezing. This is it. We'll confirm that institution bought if we broke the 25. The 25 will confirm everything. Let's see. 12, 11, 10 seconds. Oh man. This one turned red. We needed green. Yeah, turning red. Yeah, now we have a pullback once again. So Nvidia still holding the breakout, still holding. Even Tesla, AMD, we have a bit of pullback, but still holding. Nice bounce, 12%. Big one. Usually we have just 3% or 2%, 5% for Nvidia, not 12, because we got great earnings. DKNG hit our scan. Aha, going down. DKNG, we have a fake out and the price went down. Let me just put alert. Oh man, if we broke this level of support, we're gonna have a huge pullback down for DKNG. You might see 8% down. Yeah, DKNG will have a huge pullback. Lunar going down as well. Yes, this one we're gonna have a huge pullback as well. We broke our support. Let's see if we pull back until the 56. The market's pulling back. The market's pulling back. However, this one is still pushing up. There's a potential, high potential for this one to break the 25. 25 cents. Come on, 25 cents. Yes, yes. Right now, we're gonna break. Yeah, we're gonna break now. 24.45. We need to break this level. We need to break, people. We need to break. VBLT is about to break. VBLT. Okay, we're doing all right. Let's see. Let's see a break. Okay, now or never. What's gonna be? We got stock. Okay, Nvidia. Wow, what a crazy, huge selling pressure happened here. What's going on? Wow, so we got shorted again around the 24.96. This is crazy, man. This is crazy short open once again. They're not joking around. The short sellers are heavily positioned around the 24.90. That's why we didn't have our squeeze. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a crazy short open. ladies and gentlemen, this is one-on-one shorting. One-on-one shorting position open for VLBT exactly around our level of resistance. Oh boy, we don't have a squeeze today. I think it's game over. Oh man. How many rejection? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 time, man. Imagine 4 time that we gonna have a break-in for a resistance and we couldn't do that. It means the short seller is not joking. They adding some more. They selling. They have positioned here, okay, and they actually put a lot of position to short the stock. The price went down. People bought. Price got up again. The short seller went again and shorted. And then when we went down, price go up. The shorted once again. And then the 4th time, they add some position here. Oh man, 100k, 66k, and here just 2k, and here just 16. But here shorted big time, man. 132k in just 1 minute. 1 minute and we got almost $250,000. This is not joke. This is not a joke, man. This is not a joke. And here almost $500,000 worth of short. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So yeah. But we're still holding. We're still holding this support. So there's a still fight. There's a fighting chance to have a squeeze. But it's really risky, man. It's really risky here. The market is low on volume. Look, we have a bounce, then the price went down for many stocks. Look at this. DKNG still hugging our support really tight. So I just put this tight support. If we broke it, oh man, we're gonna have a huge selling pressure. If we broke the 19, game over, at least for today. We're gonna have a huge pullback for DKNG. A huge pullback, at least around this level. We might see a reversal here. But let me just check. Nvidia, oh man, Nvidia is pumping. Nvidia is not joking. Nvidia is not joking around. AMD, so AMD still holding. We might see a pushing back once again for AMD, looking good. And Nvidia is still pushing. We might see a test for the 250 for today. Another 6%. On the other hand, this one is still shorting and holding, accumulating. There's a lot of things happening here. OCEA, AMC is pumping, I think. No, it's pumping down. Oh boy, yeah, it's going down, man. It's going down toward the $5.57 now. Yeah, we got shorted. We got shorted around the $6.36 today, and we might have a reversal around the $5.57. In the time being, we have to watch this one closely because, man, we're still doing higher lows here. You see what's happened? Someone's still buying. So this is good. This is good. After this selling pressure still holding above the 21, this is good. Let's see if we have a break. Lucid got shorted heavily, guys. Lucid has got sold off 14% down. OCEA. This one is pumping almost 95%. Why? This is crazy. On low volume, but now is doing all right. Okay, this one looking interesting, but it's really risky now. We might see a bit of drawback around this level, the $9, yeah, $9.80. We might see a pullback now, at least toward the $6. Wow, this one pumping almost 27%, and there is no volume as well. Chart look really bad. OCEA, let us add it here, OCEA, to enter on a pullback because now it's overextended. Still pulling back. It's risky. Still risky below the 25. We don't have a decision yet. Slow market today. Slow market for those stocks. We don't have a continuation for them. We don't have a continuation. We have to be patient. We just have 25 minutes from the opening of the market, so yeah, still there's time. Another 30 minutes would define the reaction. Yeah, this time we might fill this box. This time we're gonna have a filling for this box, because after this a huge pump, selling pressure on this candle. This is it, man. This candle was the turning point for this stock. Yeah, we went down. Yeah. Not looking good, brother. Not looking good. At least now, you know, this is maybe in power hour. This one maybe in power hour, not now, because we broke this level of support. But in the big picture, yeah, here, this area and this area from below. We have two areas. This is the support, this is the resistance. OCEA is pulling back, as we said. It's pulling back, testing the $9.83. You see what happened? $9.83 exactly. We tested and the price went down. OCAA, as we said, we're gonna have a pullback. It's overextended. You know what I'm gonna do? I will put alert, of course. $5. No, this is a bit far. So I put it around the $6.89 for potential pullback. You know what? Even around this area, $7. AM hit our scan. OCAA, okay, AM hit our scan. Oh boy, this one is about to squeeze around the $5.39. It's jumping just 9%. Wow. Looking interesting. Yeah, looking really interesting now. Exactly. what's gonna be? Are we gonna have a pump? $5.24 would be the squeeze. Okay, we have official pump, almost official for AM. Okay, AM is about to squeeze. Okay, we have kind of a pump now. Let's go AM and the move. AM and the move. Let's see a hold up above the $5.25. First profit taken should be around the $6.33, so 20%. If we clear the $5.25, we're just testing. Still testing. We need a huge pump. Now it's just test. Yeah, we got rejected. VLBT going back, yeah, testing the box from below. OCEA is pumping. I think we got halted around the $10.25. This one is a bit risky, so AM. Let us put AM on this list for today. We have still test this important level. Are we gonna have the same reaction for VBLT test and rejection or a break? This is it. The volume is a bit light, but is doable. Almost 1 million. We might see a break around the $5.35. Let's see a break for the $6.30. Almost $1. Yeah, the support should be around the $4.40. We don't want to have a sell-off. Okay, $5.39. Are we gonna squeeze? Are we gonna squeeze? $5.35. Okay, we're still watching AM for the squeeze. $5.44. Yes, yes. Let's go. AM is started to squeeze. $5.47. Let's go toward the $6.33. Yeah, $5.68. Great. Let's go. Huge pump. $5.60. We went until the $5.68. Let's see another pump for this. To see the $6. This will be a really great bump. Quick bump. This stock is pretty volatile. Be careful, guys. This stock is pretty volatile. Let's drink our holy water for this trade. AM 22%. Volume is still a bit light, but it's picking up. It's almost 1 million. This is a new high price for AM. We need a huge bump now. We need a huge bump. There's no turning point. Turning back. There's no turning back. Let's see another pump toward the $6.33. AM on the move. Let's see a hold up, DKNG. Let's see a hold up above this level. Let's see a pump for this $5.80. Now $5.60. $5.65, 63, 61. No pullback, no pullback. Come on. Another new high. We need a huge pump again. Huge green candle like this. Okay, pulling back a bit. Come on, the volume is a bit light, man. The volume is a bit light. That's why we don't have a continuation now after this breakout. Let me just check. 4K, 5K, 4K, 7K. So yeah, the volume is a bit light, but we're still holding the $5.35. As long as we hold the $5.35 is good for continuation. Still struggling. Yeah, we need another pump. AM. Okay, now the volume is picking up. 4 million. From less than 1K to 4 million. Not bad. Not bad. Hopefully is not a short open. Let's see a pump. AMD is pumping as well. So we have accumulation here. So either we're gonna have a sell-off or a pump. We have accumulation, so something is cooking. Something is cooking here. Something is cooking. We need the $5.70 for another pump. $5.70. $5.55. This is too much waiting, man. You know what's happening here? There's a huge short opened and a huge buying pressure open from below. So that's why we have a huge waiting time to break. And now we're breaking. Now we're breaking. Good. Looking good. Looking good, brother. Looking really. Okay, we went until the $5.76. Let's see a continuation. Let's see a continuation. $5.73. 78. Yes, baby, yes. Let's go. Okay, going up. Doing all right. $5.78. 83. It's good. It's good. Okay, we're squeezing. AM is pumping. AM is pumping. We need the $6.33. The game just had begun. Are we gonna have our ATM machine now? Let's see if we're gonna have our ATM machine for today. AM still have a pump toward the $6.33. Let's see a continuation and hold up. Okay, AM is still pumping toward the $6. Let's see the $6 before any rejection. $5 now, $5.83. AM toward the $6. Okay, we're squeezing. We are squeezing. If $6, we're gonna hit the 6. I think we halted. I think we got halted. Okay, we're getting near our breakout zone. We're getting near our profit taken. We went until the $5.96 before the $6. AM doing really good. Breakout zone and entry was around the $5.35. So AM might be our ATM machine for today. OCEA. Wow, this one is pumping, man. This one is going toward the $13.64. This one is the ATM machine. This one is the real ATM machine. Oh boy, but I think we're gonna get rejected right now. This is game over. $14 is the game over for this stock. Yeah. You just put it here around the $10. We're gonna see a pullback for this one around the 14. Boom, then a huge selling pressure. So the 14 should be, or the 13.98 should be the pullback for this stock. Game over for this stock around this area. Yeah, the $14. Be careful, guys. $14 should be a pullback for this stock. AM have a bit of pullback, 5-minute pullback. VLBT, as we said it, we need to test the 18. Now it's around the 18. So it's getting inside the box. We got alert for WINT. WINT going down. Yes, we test and we have a wick around the 20, so this is good. We're still holding. If we broke the 20 is mean huge sell-off. Okay, for WINT, be careful. Huge short will open if we broke the 20. Yeah, we have a huge spread for this one. CRVX is still accumulating between. We're still accumulating. The $10.37 should be a good entry. LLAP not looking good at the moment. Not looking good. Let me just change this. Still accumulating, yeah, still accumulating. It's not ready yet. Yeah, pullback for AM. This is normal pullback. Still, we need to hold the $5.35 for a continuation up. PGY have a bit of reversal. AMC going down 1%. Oh man, BBY 7% down. Wow. A huge selling pressure. The last support has been tested at the moment. $1.48. We might break it for today. Just be careful. Nvidia is the top gainer for today. Nvidia is the top gainer for today. 14%, at least for the blue chip companies. We have to put another alert around 245 or the 50. Okay, AM have a bit of hold up. VLBT breaking the support. Okay, breaking. Not good, man. Not good. Not good at all. Let's break this level and bring that level here. Yeah, let's see if we hold above this. Otherwise, game over. Go back to AM. We need to hold this level for a continuation. It's SL and D got halted. Let's check this out. Low volume, guys, low volume for SLND. I don't suggest to buy this stock. Okay, AM is still continue to go higher toward the 6. $5.94, $5.82. $6, $6.04. Wow. So we tested the $6 and we got rejected. Huge wick opened and the short seller came in. Let's see another retake for the 6. Interesting. AMM, huge wick around the 6. I think this is just a test. This is just a test for the $6.33. We need to hold the $5.50. As you see here, we have a great bounce to confirm a continuation. $5.77. This wick, man, this wick is kind of dangerous. Decisions, decisions, decisions. Yeah, this is not looking good. This wick, man. We have a huge test in just few seconds and the price got rejected around the 6. But we're still holding. There's a potential retry to retake this position around the 6 to have a squeeze toward the $6.33. As long as we hold this critical area. $5.50, $5.35. We should have another try now. I don't like going back here. This area is weakness. I prefer going up right now. We need to hold this area. This is really important area to confirm a potential squeeze. Exactly, Justin. Profit is profit. It's good. What? This stock is mean business, guys. OCEA. What is, we pumped over the 14, so this was a squeeze area. We pumped 20% up. This is madness, man. This is the ATM machine. OCEA is the ATM machine, actually. Not AM. This one is the ATM machine. Wow. But you know what? It's kind of expensive now. 16%, $16 is kind of dangerous to enter now. I don't suggest to enter. It's really risky now. For this one, it's really risky. 14, then the 9, we broke the 9, then broke the 14, and now going toward the 20. AM is still holding. We need to try to break the 6. Squeeze will happen here. We just found out where the short sellers are positioned. They are positioned around the 6. Here they have to cover. Yes, $5.89 now. Someone bought heavily now. Someone bought heavily. $5.90. $5.90. $5.92, 94. Let's see the 6. Come on. This stock did almost 200%, man. Or over 200%. And this one just 29. It's doable. We might see a pump for this one until the $6.33 at least. Because as we said, we're still holding the current support. We're not finished yet. We need to break the 6. The short is there. You see what's happening? He's still shorting. He's still shorting around the 6. We need to break the 6 to have a short squeeze until the $6.33. AM, potential pump. AM, potential pump here around the 6. If we broke the 6, we're gonna have a huge pump toward the $6.33 in just a few seconds. This is it. You see what's happened now? Yeah. Let's go. Okay, $5.99. Ah, where's the 6? Come on. Yeah, $6.03. Ah, we tested the last high around the $6.04. Okay, let's break the okay, perfect. Ah, I don't like this. Come on, why we don't actually break without holding? This still shorting. This still shorting here, man. This is mad. Ah, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. Not good here. Not good. I don't like it. I don't like it anymore. We got rejected twice. Oh man, this one pumped $20. 323%. 323% on the $20. And still bumping. I think we got halted once again. Oh man, this is crazy. This one is really crazy. Yeah, the $6. The $6. The short is positioned around the $6 yen. Yeah, they are heavily positioned there. Yeah, we might see a huge squeeze for this one. That's why the short are still fighting. The $6 still fighting. The good thing is we're still holding. The good thing is we're still holding the $5.50, $5.35. 3 wicks, price got rejected. AM, we started with less than 1 million, now is almost 10 million worth of volume. So the volume is picking up. We're still holding. This means someone buying, and there's a preparation for a pump. Looking good, looking good. Is this it? Is this it or not? Okay, this is it. Yeah, this is it. 1 minute, we held. We should break now. We should break toward the $6.33. Come on. $5.95. Low volume and this breakout. 2K. Come on, we need to hold. This is it, man. This is it. We need to break. Big one. Yeah. $6.90.09. We need to have a huge break now. No messing around. No messing around. The short have to cover here. Let's go. Continuation. Yeah. $6.20. $6.30. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There's no turning point. Turning back. There's no turning back. Ah, come on. Don't do this. Come on. Continue to go high. $6.33. Everything set. Everything set. Why are you rejecting now? I don't know why you rejecting now. This is crazy, man. This has always happened with this kind of stocks, you know, low volume break, and we have this kind of reaction, you see? Red candle here, man. This is madness. This is really madness. Okay, now is manipulated, guys. I don't like this trade anymore. This is really bad. You see what's happened? A breakout and red candle here is not looking good. Price getting down. Not good here. It's not clean breakout. We don't have a sell-off, but it's not clean breakout yet. It's not clean breakout. So take this off. It's not clean breakout. We got until the $6.20. Price get rejected again. It's not like the other breakout that we have from the $5 that was really good. This one we have volume dropped. Yeah, volume dropped on the breakout zone, so this is a warning sign to me. 23, man, $23 and still pumping. And think this one going to the moon. I think it's halted once again. Yeah, we got near, really near around the $6.33. We got rejected around the $6.20. But we're still holding. We're still holding. A huge accumulation up. So we need to hold this pattern to confirm a continuation. And never breaking the $5.30. If we don't want to have a sell-off. Okay, $5.88 still. Nvidia have a struggle to go higher around the $14 or 14% up, 237. Interesting. We have a resistance and another support here, so something about to give. We might see a drawback because we are overextended now. The market is pulling back and Nvidia is still holding the gain. So we might see a drawback around the 235. Let's see a dip. Price going back down. You see everything is dipping down. Everything is dipping down right now. We have AMD's going down. There's a potential for entry. Let me adjust my levels. AMD, there's a potential entry. It's going down. Let's try to see a hunting area. Oh man, let me just check. Put it around the 77. No, this is a bit far. Let me just check. I will put it there around the 78, 70. For Tesla, still doing good. For Mira, okay, we're still pulling back. Okay, Nvidia is going back now. It's going back. Yeah, we have overextension. Let's see a pullback. The other one, BBY, still kind of testing our support, $1.48. DKNG going down, I think, 18.79. Market is giving back. The market is giving back the gain that we did in pre-market. Be careful. Be careful, DKNG. See what's happened? A huge selling pressure. Yes, a huge selling pressure. Shorting opportunity for DKNG now. We got a shorting opportunity. Let's go back to AM. Still holding. Still holding. Oh man, this one is not stopping. 440%, around the $26. Okay, now is in the enchanted territory. This is a unicorn, guys. This is a unicorn stock. It never happened in like once each like 3 months or 1 month. We got this one, I think last month, HPCO, then got shorted. The same reaction, went almost 400%, then got shorted. This one is overextended. I will never buy right now. It's overextended. Even go to $100, I will not care even. If we go back toward the 13, the 9, maybe I will load up, but now is dangerous. On the other hand, AM getting down. Yeah, now is a bit of weakness. I see a bit of weakness because if this candle that we got near this profit taking, just lower this here. Yeah, $5.22 would be good to hold. No, water is not finished because I bought a new cup, you know, it's really big, this one. So this one I think is almost 2 liters, you know. So I think is half, right now is half the water. So almost 1 liter. I'm still on my goal to get 1 liter or 4 liter each day. 1 liter in the morning, 1 liter in the gym, and 1 liter during the live streaming, and 1 liter at night. So 4 liters each day. Either I like it or not. Because usually we forget to drink water. So the best thing is to make it an autopilot and make our subconscious mind drink water. Not me. I'm not drinking water, but this is the habit I crafted during the years, you know. So I treat myself like a monkey, or like a guinea pig. So I try new things and try to download them to my software, which is my brain, and then let it, like my subconscious mind, do its work, which is a good habit. Drinking water, going to sport, cooking my own meal, preparing like stuff. I do it on autopilot, so I don't think about them. So this is one of the things that I got from reading the book. If you know, this book is really important to read. Changed my life actually for building habits. It's called Atomic Habits. And I don't know if you are, one of you here read this book. Is kind of life-changing, man. You have how to build habit and how to stack habit. What I mean by stacking habit is building habit on top of each other. So if you have a bad habit, you want to switch to a good habit, you have to try to replace what you're doing from bad habit to good habit. Let's give you an example, like watching Netflix. Before I watch Netflix and movie each night. Now I switch from watching movies to reading books. Okay, so I switch a bit by bit, not books because it's really hardcore if you want to switch from movies to books, but I switch to documentaries, something to learn about the finance sectors, about like the Netcom bubble or Bitcoin, and educate myself on the way. At the same time, I'm not getting what's called useless information, but good information to my brain. So this is a good habit. Switching bad habit, watching Netflix and movies, is not good. At least I watch it once a week, not each day. And I switch it to good habit, which is reading books and documentary. Instead, it's just watching movie. There's no reason watching movie. You don't get any kind of information or good stuff, or you learn anything, because usually 99% of the movies is kind of junk food, to the brain. Of course, there's some movies is really good to watch once each year. We got just one movie or two movies. Anyway, so this is my take on building habits. Okay, we got many questions about SRNE or SRNEQ. AM is still holding. AM is still holding. Is still fighting. Okay, looking good. Okay, iBio hit our scan. Yeah, it's RNEQ. So we have a changing in the ticker symbol from SRNE to SRNEQ, 20 cents. Interesting. We have interesting play now for SRNE. We have a support around the 19 cents. Interesting play now for SRNEQ. We might see the test for the 30 or the 23 cents. SRNEQ 20 cents, support 20 cents. Let's see if we hold. AM. Wow, SRNEQ 34% down. 34% down. AM is still holding our level. We're still holding. We might see a huge pump for it. Like this one, OCEA pumped almost 45% or 400%. Okay, now is unhalted, OCEA. Huge shorts open now. We might see a huge dump down. I think we got halted down now. Let's see. Yeah, we got halted down because we got shorted almost 10%. As everybody knows, one of halt codes, the most famous one is the 10% range. So what I mean by that, if the stock jump 10% up in just a few seconds, the stock get halted. If the price get down 10% in a few seconds. The price get halted down and stopped trading. This is the SEC did this, and some kind of rules to stop the panic selling and like the panic in the stock market. And they said this is help a safe trader from losing money. So you see here we have a huge drawback, 10%. That's why the price got halted. Now it's 377% around the 22. We might see a continuation for this sell off. We might see a 32% drawback because the price is overextended. This is FOMO buying. We call it FOMO buying. This is FOMO buying. Fear of missing out. So this is FOMO. The price actually went over the 14. You see what's happened? Huge pump, man. This is really risky. If you got lucky and you bought up over the 14, yeah, you made almost 70%. But sometimes, or most often, 90% over the 90%, the price get rejected and you actually be down almost 50%. So watch out. AM kind of break this level. SRNQ still holding the 1990. Great. VBLT reversal. Yes. VLBT or VBLT reverse from our bottom. This is really great reversal from the bottom, the 1894. As we said, this is the bottom. This is the support that we should hold. Great reversal. Now we need to have a rejection here. You see what's happened? A rejection. Yeah, this is a resistance now. We need to overcome it, the 2157. We need to break it. This is the resistance now. It's turned from the 25 toward the 2157. Price will have a bit of drawback now. We might see a drawback here around the 20, then continue to go higher. This will be the good reaction, holding above the 20. AM. Wow, a bounce. Great. Still holding. Yeah, many broker will actually have this for SRNQ. You only could just sell the share of the stock. You can actually buy anymore. This has happened for many stocks that is about to get delisted or go down really heavily, like almost 30% or 50%. So this is just for the broker. Usually they protect themselves from the volatility, you know. VBLT tests our level of breakout zone. It's just a test and the price got rejected, 2166. Let's see a break now. VBLT, red to green or green to green. We have VBLT and we got AM. VBLT looking good. Testing, breaking, testing, breaking. Wow, a test and still rejection. Wow. Yeah, a test and rejection. AM is still holding, guys. AM is not finished yet. It's not finished yet. Still doing higher lows. We got the huge rejection around the $6.20, but we're still holding. Still holding. It means a continuation. OCAA. OCEA. I think it's halted 10 minutes. 10-minute halt. We got 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. 10-minute halt. Boom. This is a 10-minute halt for OCAA. Yeah, 10-minute halt for OCEA. The stock is jumped from the 7. Yeah, we did almost 400%. We see a huge selling pressure after the unhalting. At least around the 17 and the 14. We need to have a pullback here. AM is pumping. And VLBT is still struggling to overcome this level. I forget to put alert because we trigger it around the 2266. Yeah, we got rejected, of course. Price going down. There's a resistant area, as we said, the 2166. And AM is still crawling back up. Let's see. BURU. BURU. Who are you? Okay, he's not here. Okay, Nvidia is going back. It's going back down. It's going back down. This is normal. This is pretty normal. Already did from this pump around the 3%. It's good. Yeah. BBY is bounced. BBY is bounced. Look what's happened. Bounce right around our bottom, the $1.48. You see what happened? We have a bar coding. This is algo trading. This is algo trading, guys. It's not a human being. Price held above the $1.48, right around our level. $1.48. This is it. So someone preventing the price to get sold off for BBY. So this is good. We need to hold above this level. to retest the $1.80. Good reaction. So the biggest gainers for today, we got VBLT and AMAM. Those both have potential. And of course, OCEA, that jump almost over 400%, now is halted, 10-minute halt, and halted down because some people trigger profit taking around the $26, now $22. Imagine, man, just a few seconds, we went from the 26 until the 23 or the 22. So we have 12% drawback in just few seconds, just 2 seconds, I think. When we unhalted around the 26, the price dropped around the 22. So be careful. This is how volatile those stocks could be. You can't compare those stocks with growth stock like blue chip company, Nvidia, and the other stocks because they jump just 10%, 14%. This is a big gain for them. Like Nvidia, 14%. Imagine after a huge earnings, and that jumped just 14%. This one, 400% in just few hours. This is madness. This is really madness. AMAM still holding. There's a potential here. And as well for VBLT still holding. We got rejected right around our resistance support 20. We need to hold and continue to go higher. Boom. For the power hour, not now. If we get rejected, it's mean game over. If we broke the 1849, game over. I'm just saying, it's game over. A huge selling pressure. But now it's still game on actually, because we're still holding above the support that we discussed when the market opened. Still game on for VBLT. We're gonna do a short update, of course, for VBLT and AMAM. If we broke the current level of resistance for them, for AMAM is around the $6.20, $6.33 here. This is should be our resistance. And for VBLT, of course, is around this level, the 2160. So stay tuned for the short analysis update after our live streaming end, because those stocks is pretty volatile. And if they broke, it's faster is to do short analysis, not the video. So stay tuned for this update. We're gonna do it here. Let's see. Yeah, it's drawback, still going back down. CVRX is pumping, guys. CVRX 7% up, looking good. Okay. As usual, tomorrow we're gonna do live streaming around 3 p.m. CET. We're gonna do a pre-market update, preparation for the market for a lot of stocks. Of course, the stock that have been requested from you guys will be covered first. Then we're gonna cover our watch list, Jesus watch list, for the stock that have potential to squeeze, like VBLT, AMAM, and the other stocks. And of course, we're gonna do a video around 8 p.m. CET for preparation for tomorrow market for the stock that actually pumped, and updated level support and resistance for them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next live streaming.